flashing red on front.
Yeah, that's because it's recording. Let's just turn it on now. Oh. Oh no, it's pantsing me again.
What?
Dropping my pants again.
Did you just die?
No!
His pants are uncomfortable now.
No, they're falling off again. Last time we went on this, my underwear started falling off. This time they're doing it again.
You've got jeans on, they can't come out.
No, I mean my jeans are the things that are falling.
Well, they can't fall off.
No. Here we go. Oh, hey. Oh.
Look at that! Sorry, kidney puncher.
It is. Who would have thought you'd ever rewrite this LC, Jesus?
It's cold.
I know.
It's a bit of a kidney puncher, wasn't it?
Whacked you in the back of the head.
Oh, right. In the back of the back.
Where I was going next.
Well, my one thing's sure, my trousers are definitely still on.